Traders, my name is Gary Fickard, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at trade opportunities this afternoon as we go ahead and take a look at a 20 pip grab out of the market. That's it, just 20 pips grab. Now, we've been doing this all year long, and we've made over 15,000 pips already on the strategy. So I'm not going to keep everyone in suspense any longer. Let's go ahead and get this show on the road. Let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, traders. Well, yes, we have been doing this for quite a while. And like I said, we've been generating over 15,000, to be exact, 15,600 pips already been generated based on the strategy. So we're going to go ahead and take a look and see what trades or opportunities are still available for today's trading as we head for the end of the week. Now, we've been trading the strategy this whole week, and we've been capturing pips every single day. We've actually generated quite a few trades, and we've been successful in most of them. There's one trade that's still open, I believe, on the Euro US dollar, which is just about to go ahead and profit on that. But we've got almost 100% success rate since we started doing this. 100% of our trades have paid off in this session as we look for these manual trade setups based on these setups. Now, we're going to continue to do that today, and we're going to go ahead and look for trade setups. So let's go ahead and get the show going. And before I do, I want to go ahead and show you this is how we performed so far. 15,600 pips been generated this year, over 106%. This is live trading. This is actually my trade copier that is doing exceptionally well. For those that are interested in trade copier, and let me just give you a little bit of a description of what trade copier means. Trade copier means that you don't need a VPS. Trade copy means that you don't need to have an EA running. Trade copy means that you don't have to look at your computer all day long. Trade copy means that it automatically trades for you. So you don't have to have you don't have to have a Mac, you don't have to have a PC. You just have to go ahead and sign up for the trade copier, link your account, and it does all the trading for you. You don't have to do anything. I've been getting a lot of emails, traders saying, well, do I need a Mac? Do I need a PC? Do I need an EA? Do I need to have a VPS? No, all of those costs are not included. You don't need to have all that stuff. So just a VPS alone, to have a good VPS, you're going to be paying anything between $40 to $60 just for that alone. And then, of course, if you go ahead and run any sort of systems on that, you've got to monitor it, making sure the systems run. Don't need all of that. With the trade copier, everything runs for you. If you want more information about that, check out the description below. There's details about the trade copier, about the tools I use in this trading session, all of that down below. And we're just about to release the tool called the Pip Grabber Trading Tool. It's going to be released pretty soon. You can get details of that down below. So check out the description and make sure while you're down there, go ahead and smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel. Now, we are broadcasting on multiple platforms. We broadcast on Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, not Instagram, I keep saying Instagram, but Facebook, YouTube channels, which we broadcast on a lot of platforms. But we are going to narrow it down to just the YouTube channel. So if you are not on a YouTube, watching this on a YouTube right now, you may want to go ahead and find our YouTube channel, subscribe to the YouTube channel, because we are going to be only broadcasting on the YouTube channel. So make sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel. Now, the two channels that you want to subscribe to is the Traders Network Club. That's the YouTube channel. And then FxBigDog YouTube channel. Those are the two YouTube channels you want to go ahead and subscribe to, because we are going to shift around which sessions are going to go on which channel. So make sure you go ahead and do that. And we bring in a lot of content coming up over the next couple of weeks. We're building up a lot of relationships with a lot of people that we're going to bring on as guests onto our YouTube channel. And we're going to be talking about things like, the markets, the news, cryptos, all that good stuff that you need to know in order to be able to make good trading decisions. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at the trade opportunities that are coming up this today. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and pull up my, firstly, the live account right here. Let's go ahead and show you what that looks like. There we go. And also, by the way, could you let me know how what the quality of the video looks like right now? And if you're watching this on YouTube, you can go ahead and change the actual quality of the video. by making sure that it's on HD, because it is HD that we are broadcasting out of. So you should be getting the HD quality. All right, there we go. Smash the like button. Oh, and by the way, about that, about the like buttons, I'm getting about a 20% like at the moment right now on all my videos. We should not even get 20%. Listen here. If we can only get a 20% like on these videos, I'm only going to do one trade every session. All right. So let's come on, man. Let's go ahead and smash that like button so that we can get almost 100% likes on these videos, and so that we can get these videos out to as many people as possible. So smash the like button. Smash it as much as you want, but smash the like button. Let's get that. Let's get this video out there, because if I'm going to continue to do these sessions, I want to at least know I'm getting some sort of confirmation from you guys that these videos are great and that you'd like me to continue to do that. So go ahead and smash the like button and share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Make sure you share it out to everyone on social media. All right, now that's all I asked for, and I'll continue to do these videos and continue giving you these great trade setups that we talk about every day. So there we go. So we do have the euro right here. This is the euro trade that we're in right now, and as you can see right now, we are currently just above break even. We're showing around about 2 pips in profit. We had multiple positions in on this. There was a news report. I want to go ahead and mention that there was a news report that we had this week that gave us this big spike down right here. This is why we got such a gap between this entry point right here and the entry point, the second entry point down here. So there is that big gap, and that's why we are struggling, or at least have struggled, to get to our break even and make some profit on those trades, just because of that news report that took place earlier on this week. Now, we're going to let the euro US dollar ride, but I do want to go ahead and take a look and see what it looks like on the chart. And I'm going to go to euro US dollar right here. And hang on, let's do this. So let's go to euro US dollar right here. I want to take a look and see if we need to just go ahead and call it a day on this one right here and cash out on that. Let me go to the 4 hour. Okay, so actually, no, I'm going to hold on to this a little bit longer. Check this out. We did hit the 1.618. So we did get a wave 1 down here, wave 2, and then wave 3 was down here at 1.618. So it does make sense for us to go ahead and continue to hold on to that position, right? Right? We should absolutely hold on to that position. I don't see why we should not. Also, take a look at the divergence we got here down below as well, right? We've got beautiful divergence here, bullish divergence here. So, yeah, we should start seeing euro US dollar going north. Now, also keeping in mind that we're also expecting the dollar to weaken as well, and that will just help the euro US dollar to start rallying. So I'm going to hold on to this right here, and I'm going to go ahead and continue to be bullish on this. Oh, by the way, good news. I have to go ahead and tell you this. Good news. For those, for my Spanish viewers, we're actually going to be doing a Pip Grabber Trading show in Spanish too. I'm not going to do it. I don't know how to speak Spanish, but I've got a person that's going to be able to run that for me. So we're going to do a Pip Grabber Trading. So if you're Spanish and you'd like to have these videos in Spanish, I am working on a individual that we will go ahead and set up another channel that is going to be Spanish only, based on the same setups. All right, so he'll just be mirroring what I'm doing inside the Spanish room. So get excited about that. It's coming out pretty soon. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look at a couple of things here. I'm going to go to, all right, so the euro US dollar, we're pretty happy to stay locked and loaded on the euro US dollar with a buy. We're not going to do anything at the moment right now on that. So let's leave that one out there, and just let's look at the next trade opportunity. And by the way, also I want to go ahead and double check on something here as well. All right, and what I would like to do is I'd like to go ahead and take a look and see how we set up. Let's see here on our trades. Let's take a look here. Here is the trades, just so that everyone knows. These are the trades we took place. This is the history. Yep, this is the trades that took place right here. So you can see all these trades have paid off. We've got all of these trades that were paid off that we took yesterday. CAD Swiss, New Zealand CAD, and Aussie CAD. Those are the ones that we took yesterday, and those have gone ahead and paid off as well. Also, I want to remind everyone as well that if you look in the description below, we do have details of a Telegram channel, and the one of the Telegram channels we do post every trade that we do in these shows because I want to be transparent. I don't want to be that guy, and there's a lot of those guys out there that talk about how well they're doing and how fantastic these trades are. But I'm the real McCoy right here, where when I place a trade, a live trade, you will see it pop up on the Telegram channel, and it'll be there to tell you exactly the price I entered, what direction, which currency pair. It's all there in the Telegram. So check out the description below again. They're in the Telegram channel. Sign up for the Telegram channel because you will get notifications of when we enter and when we close those trades, and you'll be able to see that on your on your phone if you have Telegram on your phone. So again, making sure that we get you all the information you need in order to be able to follow carefully through what we're doing here. And again, I'm not telling you what you should be doing because I'm not a CTA, but what I am saying is these are the things I'm doing. If you choose to follow, that's going to be purely up to you. All right. All right. Let's go ahead and continue. So as we go right here, and we go ahead and take a look at the setups. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next trade and I'm going to go ahead and take a look at let's go, you know what, let's do this. Let's go to Aussie. Let's go to Aussie right here. And we had a nice little push here on the 4 hour. Look at the 4 hour. Man, looks like we're missing out on that opportunity. There was a nice push here on the 4 hour. Big push here. You know what? Let's take a look at US oil. How is US oil doing at the moment right now? Are we going to sell off on US oil? Oh, look at this. All right, US oil is starting to tank a little bit. Not quite where we wanted to go because we're still wanting US oil to drop back down to about $74 a barrel right here. So we are seeing a downside move in US oil. We may be getting a little bit of a pump up here, maybe a bit of bullish rally right here. So that doesn't explain the Aussie CAD rally that we saw. So let's go back to the Aussie CAD. And let's take a look at Aussie CAD right here. Ollie says, how was your scooter ride yesterday? It was great. It was great. We did get to the mall, and yes, we did do some shopping, and yes, my wife did grab my credit card. So I think it ended off well for her, really well for her, and I guess I got a bit of enjoyment out of the scooter ride. So yeah, it was good. It was good. All right, Aussie CAD right here. So if I go to Aussie CAD, traders, what direction do we say Aussie CAD should be heading? We said that Aussie CAD should be heading north, right? That's why we've been buying Aussie CAD. And if we look over here, the reason why we said Aussie CAD should be heading north is because we're range bound right now. We came off support. We're looking for price to go back up to resistance. Okay. And so if I go back here and I take a look at the way it's set up right here, I'm going to zoom in a little closer, but I'm going to go down to a 15-minute time frame. Let me see if I can find a trade entry. So here is that 1.618. So I'm looking over here and I see, okay, that's an inside swing. Here's another inside swing from the low to the high right here. So we had the pullback. We had price pulling back right here to 618 pounds and the previous wave one. And so we're looking for price to continue to rally all the way up here to this level. And I'm going to mark it off right here at the 1.27 right there. Okay. Now, with price moving up to that level, how far is that from where we are now? It is approximately 22 pips. So we could get 22 pips, at least 22 pips out of that. We're chasing after 20. It looks like it's pretty attractive right now. Now, I'm going to do this. And by the way, traders, I'm just not going to get in on trades just because we want to get in on trades, right? We want to get in on trades that make sense. So let's take a look over here. We have resistance right here. So we have resistance over here. We have the oscillator moving almost into an overbought condition here.